Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here with reveal number 23 to my second annual Baking Spirits Bright group swap. And this swap is from Sandy. Thank you so much, Sandy, for joining. This is her second year joining my swap. I'm super excited to see what she created. So let's get started. I'll go over the requirements really quick. This was a baking themed swap, a Christmas baking themed swap. And the requirements were to make one memory dex card, a trinket box filled with trinkets, something beaded, two crafter's choice items, and a store-bought gift, $5 or less. So let's see what Sandy created. This has my name on it. Thank you so much, Sandy. It looks identical to the other bag in the box, so I'm assuming she made a swap for me. Look at how cute this is. I can't wait to dig in. I love this pink bow. This is a velvet ornament. That's so cute. I love the curly ribbons at the top. Here's the card. And here's her information. Sandy's Planner Shop, Sandy Bryan. You can find her on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. She also has an Etsy shop, so I'll link her down below. So be sure to check that out. The card says, Tiff, thanks for hosting. I had so much fun creating. This package is for you, Sandy, Sandy's Planner Shop and Crafts. Thank you so much, Sandy. This is so cute. I can't wait to see what's in here. So here's the container. Look at how cute this is. I love the striped bow. I love stripes and polka dots. I love the yarn, red and white yarn. She did a shaker gingerbread house for the tag. That's so cute. I love the snowflake on the back. That's gorgeous. That's so creative. Let's open this container. Oh, and look at that. It has compartments. That is so cute. It has 4 compartments, and she has something in each compartment. So let's start with the top. She has some shred. Look at all the trinkets in here. Let me just take some out. Look at all these beads and charms. Look at the fluffy balls. So cute. And there's so much more. Look at all that. Wow, that's really nice. Let me put the shred back. That's so cute. In this compartment, she has altered paper clips. That's really cute. She has red and white mini paper clips. Look at that. So cute. She also has pink snowflakes. These are really nice to add dimension to embellishments. I really love these. Thank you so much. Let me put that back. And there's a few things on the side here. Sentiments. Here's Mary and Santa. Love that shimmery white paper and pink. That's really cute. I love that. In the next compartment, here's an acrylic sweater. That's really cute. I love that. Here's a felt candy cane. That's so cute. Here are more die cut words. It says cold and winter. Really cute. This one also has a bunch of trinkets. You can see polymer clay beads, these mini cookie cutters, candy canes, cookies, a lot of fun items. So I'm going to put those back. And in the last compartment here, she has flowers. Look at how pretty these flowers are. I love that. She has a die cut word believe. Here's more flowers and some berries. These are the holly berries, right? Those are so cute. And here's a lollipop. This must have came out from that compartment there. Look at the flowers. So pretty. Thank you so much. So this is the flower compartment, and this is die cut words. So let me put that in the right side there. And let me put this all back nicely. Thank you so much. This is such a cute container. I love this. So this is her trinket box. Look at this. Love the colors. Here are some fuzzy socks. She has a felt belly band around the socks. That's so cute. Love the colors. The green, white, and red. These are fun, gingy, fluffy socks. They look so warm and cozy. Thank you. Let's see. This is called Unwrapped Off the Rack Hand Towels. Oh, let's see what this is. Unwrapped hand towels are a lightweight microfiber polyester blend, making them super soft and absorbent. Their waffle weave texture makes them ideal for drying and scrubbing, with off-the-rack designs bringing the perfect touch of color to your home. These towels are sure to create a happy, fun, and clean environment. This is really cute. I love the gingies. Thank you so much. I'm not familiar with this brand. I'm gonna have to look them up. Oh my goodness, look at this. She sewed around the paper plate and she made it a pocket, so it's a loaded plate. That is so cute. And look at her dangle. That is so cute. All right, let's start with this. Look at this candy cane. She made a beaded candy cane. She hung a cute reindeer at the end. This is so cute. I love the beads. This is really nice, Sandy. I really like this. Love that. So this is something beaded, but she also made a beaded pen. I love this cluster here. She put a candy cane, a beaded candy cane. I love the flower. It says, "I have a sleigh full of fun." And she has sprinkles in her packaging. Oh, I love this color. Red and gold. That's so pretty. I love that gingy. She has a silicone bead, the fluffy spacer bead. Love this dangle. Look at those pretty colors. Look at that cute gingy. Love that. So pretty. That is really nice. Oh, and here's a stir stick. It's a candy cane stir stick. That is so cute. I love that. Here's a pocket. She has this really cute pink trim at the bottom. I love this gingerbread. She has a snowflake. Love all the pom-poms. That's really cute. I think she made this bag. In the bag, wow, she made beaded bows. Look at that. Love these colors. These are so pretty. And look at the cute gingies in the center. I love pink and black together. That's such a pretty combo. Love the acetate, the polka dot acetate. Those are really pretty. That must have took a lot of time. That's really nice. Here's the next item. Love the crepe paper at the top with the cute mini bow. Let's see here. And this is made by Sandy. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Is this a necklace? This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at the cute gingies. Look at the beads. I love this. This is really pretty. That's so nice. Your partner's gonna love everything. Everything's so pretty. The next item here, this says gingerbread cookies. It looks like a recipe, and this is her memory decks card. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love how she put the gingies in the pocket. That's so cute. She sewed around the edge of the apron. Love the flat back rhinestones. She used ribbon at the top. And on the back, there's her information. This is so creative. This is so cute. It looks like she used a doily die and then she cut it in half and she made it into a pocket. And there's one of those pink foam snowflakes that she shared earlier in her trinket box. This is adorable. I love this. Another fun memory decks to add to my collection. The next item, look at this. Look at that cute face. Oh my gosh, that has to be a Peachy Keen stamp. That's so cute. Look at the teeth. Love this. This is a sequence mix. This is adorable. I love this. She put a sequence mix in a light jar. This is a Christmas light, and she hung a spoon and she put a bow. That is so cute. It's an ornament. Love this. All the snow in there and the red and white and green polymer sprinkles. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. This guy is so cute. I love that. That is adorable. And look at this, guys. This is really cute. I bet you she made this. It's decoration to add to her swap. That's really cute. Love the colors. And at the top here, look at this cute hat. This winter hat. She altered a paper clip. That's so cute. I love this. I love it. This is the plate. Look at how cute this plate is. I love this. You can see all her sewing around the edge. And then she used plastic to make the pocket. This is adorable. Thank you so much, Sandy. Everything is amazing. I love everything. You are so creative. Thank you again for participating. Your partner will love everything. I hope you all were inspired. I was. I'm always inspired. You all are very creative. I'm taking notes from everybody's swap. I hope you all had fun, and I will be back with the next one. Bye.